I bought this storage ottoman to put at the end of our bed, and in this video, I'm gonna show you the box that it comes in. So this is the box. It's not too heavy. You can see the box is pretty thin, and I'm going to quickly assemble it and then show you all the details. So how it looks when you open it up and how it looks when it's at the end of a bed. So let's put it together. Once you take it out of the box, this is all there is to it. So this is the entire thing. And to put it together, I don't think you need any tools. I think it just unfolds and it's ready to go. So let's find out. Here's a close-up look of the material. We got the black. This is available in a whole bunch of different colors. The cool thing is if you're not using this, you could easily put it away. So it's good for storing stuff, but it's also easy to store itself. All right, so here's our first part. This is simply gonna open up like a box, and the bottom is already there. Once you open this up, you're going to put the long piece. So you have a long piece and you have a short piece. This is gonna go down into the bottom. There's a tag on this, and that I will tuck underneath so that it's not visible. And this is going to keep this thing expanded. And once you push that down, you can flip this over so you can see the inside. This extra piece is so that you can have a divider in the center. So there's a Velcro strip here on the bottom, and there's one here on the top. And this has a Velcro strip here, and there's one over here. So you can use this as a divider, but I think it'll also help add a little extra support in the center. So if you're gonna sit on this, this might help that. So what I'm gonna do is push this down, make sure it's tight against the bottom, and then attach that Velcro. And then you open it up and you're gonna do the same thing. Just find that Velcro strip, which actually I'm gonna flip this over like this so I can see that a little better. And then you attach the Velcro to the other side. So now you have like an extra layer of stability. And the final step is to take the lid and drop that on top. And there's your bench. So now I'm gonna put this at the end of the bed, and I'm gonna sit on it to test the stability, but here's how it looks. It's also pretty lightweight, so easy to manipulate and move around. That's how the bottom looks. Let's get this into the bedroom. Here it is at the end of our bed. This is a king size bed, and we could, if we wanted to, get two of these and have one, have them next to each other. We really only need one, so we're only gonna use the one. I weigh about 220 pounds, and this is supporting me very well. Like, it seems very solid, which is super surprising to me because it folds open, but it is very sturdy. You then have easy access to blankets or whatever else you're gonna keep inside. So if you're looking for a really easy portable ottoman for the end of your bed or anywhere else in your house, I love this thing, and I definitely recommend it. And if you'd like to grab one, there is a link in the description below. Please remember to hit like on this video. Let me know if you have any questions about this. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.